In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all of your Evernote notes. This is a quick, reliable way to create a backup or move your notes somewhere else, and it only takes a few steps. Once you're inside Evernote, head straight to the Notes section where every note in your account is listed together. This is your best overview, and it makes selecting exactly what you need really straightforward. If you want to grab everything at once, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all notes. If you only want certain notes, hold the Control key and click each note one by one to build your selection. Take a moment to scan your selection so you're confident you've included the right content before exporting, especially if you keep work and personal notes in the same account. With your notes selected, you have a choice. If you'd like to combine the selected notes into a single continuous note, click the Merge option. This is helpful when you want a consolidated document to read through or share. If you'd rather keep each note separate, click the More Actions button, the one represented by 3 dots. That opens the export option so you can take your notes out of Evernote while preserving them as individual items. From the menu that appears, you'll see a couple of export formats. Exporting in Evernote format is perfect if you plan to open the notes on another device or restore them back into Evernote later. It keeps your structure and formatting intact and is ideal for moving between accounts or machines. If you want a more universal file that you can open almost anywhere, choose Export as PDF. PDFs are great for sharing, printing, or archiving, and they'll look the same regardless of the device. After you've chosen the format, select the location on your computer where you want to save the files. Your Downloads folder is a simple, easy-to-find choice, but feel free to pick any folder you use for backups. Click Save, and Evernote will begin exporting your notes. Depending on how many notes you selected and whether they include images or attachments, this may take a moment. Just let it run. When the process finishes, your notes are successfully exported and ready to use, share, or store as a backup. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future uploads. I'd love to hear your ideas for what you'd like to see next, so drop your suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.